Hey everyone, Dr. Haas here. If you've been on Ozempic or any GLP-1 medication and are considering stopping, you're probably wondering what's next. Will the weight come back? How should you transition off? Stick around as we'll dive into what happens when you stop Ozempic and how to ensure keeping the progress you've made. First things first, let's talk about what happens when you stop Ozempic. Ozempic, a GLP-1 receptor agonist, helps regulate blood sugar and support weight loss by mimicking the effects of the hormone GLP-1. When you stop, your body has to adjust. Studies show that the weight loss benefits of GLP-1s can diminish, but don't panic. The key is how you handle the transition. Research indicates that weight regain can occur after stopping GLP-1s. One study published in the New England Journal of Medicine found that patients often experience weight regain after discontinuation. Why? Your body has adapted to the reduced appetite signals, and without the medication, these signals return to their baseline. However, this isn't a guaranteed outcome if you've been proactive with your health. It's crucial to gradually wean off GLP-1s rather than stopping abruptly. This approach helps your body adjust its appetite and metabolic processes more smoothly. Typically, we recommend a gradual reduction over a period of 4 to 8 weeks. Here's how we usually do it. Reduce dosing gradually. Start by cutting your current dose by about 25% every 2 weeks. This slow reduction allows your body to adapt to decreasing levels of the medication, minimizing potential side effects, and easing the transition. 2, monitor your response. During this period, closely monitor how you're feeling. Pay attention to changes in appetite, hunger levels, and any other symptoms. This will help you gauge how well your body is adjusting to the reduced dose. 3, adjust based on symptoms. If you experience significant hunger or weight gain, it may be necessary to adjust the rate of reduction. Some people might need a slightly longer period to taper off. So listen to your body and consult your healthcare provider if needed. Building lean muscle mass is essential during this transition. Muscle tissue is more metabolically active than fat, meaning it burns more calories even at rest. Strength training, coupled with adequate protein intake, supports your metabolism and helps prevent weight regain. Maintaining a balanced diet rich in protein and healthy fats is key. Proteins help preserve muscle mass and support metabolism, while healthy fats contribute to overall well-being. Ensure you're eating a variety of nutrient-dense foods to keep your metabolism in check. Don't forget the importance of staying hydrated. Proper hydration with electrolytes support overall health and metabolic functions. It also helps manage hunger and supports muscle recovery. As you transition off Ozempic, incorporating the right supplements can play a crucial role in supporting your metabolism and maintaining your progress. Here are some top supplements to consider. Berberine is known for its ability to help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. This can be particularly useful as your body adjusts to lower GLP-1 levels. Studies have shown that berberine can help manage weight and support metabolic health by enhancing glucose metabolism. Creatine is a well-researched supplement that supports muscle mass and strength. It helps increase the energy available for muscle contractions, which can be beneficial for maintaining lean muscle mass and a healthy metabolism during the transition off GLP-1s. It has also been shown to support cognitive function and overall energy levels. Urolithin A is a compound that promotes mitochondrial health and improves cellular function. It helps enhance mitochondrial biogenesis and reduces oxidative stress, which is important for sustaining metabolic efficiency and overall vitality. Research indicates that urolithin A can help support muscle function and endurance. Omega-3s found in fish oil supplements are essential for reducing inflammation and supporting metabolic health. They also help regulate blood sugar, support cardiovascular health, and can also aid in preserving lean muscle mass. Vitamin D is also crucial for maintaining bone health and supporting immune function. It also plays a role in regulating insulin sensitivity and metabolic health. Ensuring adequate vitamin D levels can support overall metabolic processes and energy levels. Successfully transitioning off Ozempic involves a balanced approach. Combine gradual medication reduction with muscle-building exercises, quality nutrition, hydration, and smart supplementation. This way, you're not just maintaining, but enhancing your health and wellness. Remember, stopping Ozempic doesn't have to mean losing progress. With the right strategies, you can manage the transition smoothly and continue achieving your health goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for more insights on optimizing your health. If you're looking for personalized advice on transitioning off GLP-1s or need support with your health journey, reach out to us at Vive Wellness. Until next time, stay healthy and stay informed.